All right. This is Civil Senior Vice President Andre Dre Waters. I'm here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. I'm telling you amazing things that happening with our amazing CBD. I'm telling you guys, this is huge. Remember, our proven this CBD builds your immune system, guys, as well. Still blessing people's lives. Just had our Pain and Diabetes Lifestyle Party, amazing nonprofit leaders that met as well. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come into the store. So you gotta understand, a lot of people are really concerned with what's going on right now with that virus, and I understand you should be. But we have amazing product that's blessing to change people's lives. So come on in and let's check out one of my business owners, the Asian market here in Jacksonville, North Carolina. All right. And we are amazing. We actually have our partners here. This is Max Brick and Miss Mila Swanson, and she is amazing with our amazing proven CBD product line, our gourmet wellness coffee, guys. And you see our amazing observations, findings, and testimonial document here. And watch this. If you have anyone that's dealing with any of these issues right here, check out this right here. If they're dealing with any of these issues right here, I'm telling you guys, it would do amazing things. Hand me the gourmet wellness coffee. Now check this out right here. I've been drinking this gourmet wellness coffee with MCT oil. And understand this right here. I was in a 42. Now, if you would look, I'm not gonna show my skin too much here, but look at this right here with that old amazing coffee. You're talking about a 42, now I'm in a 34. I'm drinking this gourmet wellness coffee right here with amazing MCT oil in it, and also in the CBD product. And also, I'm on our CBD. Now, some people think that CBD is marijuana. See, CBD is that conservative cousin. Everybody got this. See, marijuana is that crazy cousin. Everybody follow me. So, marijuana has THC in it, but our proven CBD doesn't have it in it. And look at here at our stores that we stocking up here with our amazing CBD product with the whole system. The tinctures under your tongue for 90 seconds, then the 25 milligrams circulating through your body, and then our intense relief rub. So if you're dealing with pain, dealing with any type issues, guys, and also our PDQ, pretty darn quick. So for that intense chronic pain, or if you suffer any of these things right here, okay? And we're in a military town, we're in Jacksonville, North Carolina. So let's check out this other banner that we got hanging here in the store. All right, we got partners all over the country. Now, right here, we have so many of our military folks that's on opioids, and they got PTSD. Now, look what our CBD does. It's 100% THC free. So who do you know in pain? Arthritis, knee replacement, breast cancer survivors, diabetic, high blood pressure, opioid addiction, ADHD, allergies, PTSD. See, we have our amazing, powerful CBD, and it's a beautiful thing, guys. So with the country going through so much turmoil right now, we have an amazing product, and so many individuals are closing down. But see, we're here at the grocery store, our Asian market, and this is an essential business. So for the business owners out there to listen to me carefully, business owners, all right? A lot of your business are shut down right now, but we have opportunity. You connect with the amazing grocery stores, okay? Let me tie my shoes right here. You connect with these amazing business owners in the grocery stores, and then guess what you do then? You market your product, our proven CBD, to bless countless lives. Now, to see testimonies of our amazing CBD product line, you can go to our WPGW CBD testimonial page. That's WPGW, that's Wealth, Prosperity, God's Way. And remember, guys, look at here. I used to be called Fat Boy, and now look at this tummy right here. You see how flat that is? That is no joke. And I'm actually posting my before and after pictures as well. And I thank Senior Vice President Ms. Karen Gelosa here in Jacksonville, okay, for recording that. And then, so I'm telling you, family, this is amazing product. So go to our WPGW, go to our WPGW wellness page, and then check out our amazing product line here at the Asian market. Look at this, look at this. This is huge, guys. Look at this. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing, our powerful oxygen product, guys. And I'm telling you, this product goes like hotcakes. But what's beautiful about our product, guys, it helps and changes people's lives. You understand what I'm telling you? Look at our gourmet wellness coffee right there. This is amazing. And we got several business owners that we're connecting with. So family, listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. I'm not a salesperson. I educate individuals. I travel all over the country. I was in Wilmington, Delaware last Saturday. Shout out to executive trainer, Mr. John Carr, Dr. LaRonda out there in that area. We had an amazing event. Now I'm here in Jacksonville, North Carolina, guys. You like, well, aren't you concerned about the coronavirus? I'm on and utilizing our whole system. Now, don't get it twisted. Understand this right here. I'm not saying that our product cures the virus. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is your body, your system, God made our system to self-heal itself. It's called the endocannabinoid system. Understand this right here. So in your brains here, the neurology, your central nervous system is CBD1 receptors. So your CBD1 receptors is here in your central nervous system. Then the remainder of your body is your CBD2 receptors. But what's encompassing that CBD2 receptors is your immune system. So we understand, I know you guys got a lot of common sense out there. You keep that immune system built and strong, then it helps combat any type virus, all right? So this is not about no sales pitch. This is about educating. I love my people. I'm doing very well in life, and I thank God for it. But my responsibility now is help bless and other people all around the country. So you got to get with individuals that have a proven amazing CBD. All of my WPGW family, hats off to you, all my family, period. But guys, you got to get into know with this amazing product in CBD. It's going to change the laws in this country. It's going to change what you drink, what you eat. This is not no joke. This is not a movie. This is the real thing. Once again, 42, now I'm in a 34, guys. Understand, CBD is your conservative cousin, okay? Marijuana is your crazy cousin. Everybody got this right here. So it has THC in it. It gets you high. But our product is 100% THC. Remember, we're here in a marine town. And hats off to all my military people. I'm a veteran, infantry, Army, 11, bang, bang. So I appreciate all our servicemen and women out there on the front lines, all the first responders out there, all the health professionals now. So I definitely commend you what you guys are doing. So let's keep our health professionals in prayer. Let's keep our military in prayer as well, guys. This is a trying time, but look at me. I'm just rolling, doing what I do, and blessing change people's lives. And the beautiful thing in our company, guys, our company has exploded. We've did the biggest numbers ever this month in March. Since the coronavirus hit, our business has exploded even more. So hats off to the WPGW family, all our partners out there that's marketing our oxygen product line. That's OXZ with a Z, oxygen. Everybody with me. Amazing. Don't play with this. Your families are counting on you right now. And this is an amazing opportunity to supplement income and be concerned. You got to get in the know now, guys, because our business is still moving. I understand I'm here in North Carolina right now, and things going to shut down, and you're going to have shelter in place, but yet still, my business is still moving. And more importantly, we're blessing and helping changing people's lives with all these various elements that they have going on. Everybody follow, okay? Well, this is Silver Senior Vice President Andre Waters. Matter of fact, I got Senior Vice President Ms. Karen Tolosa, the first Filipino Senior Vice President in the state of North Carolina. National Director Ms. Mila Swanson here, and this is her store. Everybody with me. Then we got Executive Director Miss Whoop Whoop over here, Miss Mercy Parsons, and I think some of our other partners are here. There is Executive Director Miss Cam St. Pierre, and we got a visitor here. Where is she at? Where is Executive Trainer, soon to be Executive Director Miss Yolanda Stewart out of Raleigh, Durham, guys. So she came down to the information session, and she's in the health profession. How long you been in the health field?
For over 25 years.
Over 25 years in the health field, and she understands the power of this CBD.
Absolutely. It's amazing.
All right. But once again, family, get back with me, connect with me, and connect with anybody that shared this video with you about our amazing, powerful oxygen product line, CBD. Remember, a lot of the country is in turmoil, and around the world is in turmoil, and we have answers and we have solutions, and we're definitely going to be a blessing to family lives. So once again, to all my family out there and everyone that's listening, guys, I love each and every one of you guys. There's absolutely nothing you can do about it. This is Silver Senior Vice President Andre Waters. I'm coming out of the great state of North Kakalaki. All right, God bless. We out.